Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is nouns for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Her uncle is making breakfast. Her uncle's making breakfast. Breakfast is a meal. The students at the college live in a... This is a large building with many beds for people to sleep. Dormitory. The students at the college live in a dormitory. This old book doesn't have a... This is the thing on the outside of a book that protects it. A cover. It doesn't have a cover because it's very old. Cover, the noun, has a few different meanings, so please check your dictionary and read the whole entry. There is a small that she will be there. This means there is a small chance, but you're not certain. Possibility. There's a small possibility that she'll be there. We also say slight, very much. They have a new car. They got there. This means they got what they were hoping for, what they wanted. Wish. They got their wish. Wish is a noun. Here. One wish. 2 wishes. Jennifer's hungry. She wants to have a... This is an amount of food. Bite. She wants to have a bite to eat. Bite, noun, also many meanings. Please check your dictionary. Read the whole entry. We don't need to go shopping now. We have a large... This is similar to amount. We have a large supply of food. It's hard to sell goods these days because the is very competitive. This is the place where things are bought and sold. The marketplace. Please check your dictionaries. The scientist mixed a powder and a liquid and made a... This is a soft, wet mixture. It also means glue. Paste. Paste. Noun. Please check your dictionaries. She can do it. We are sure. She has all of the... This means she can do everything. Capabilities. Bye-bye.